Hi guys, it's me, Shopaholic Sammie. I've missed you. Happy New Year. So, since it's the new year, I want to kick us off with planning. We need to get organized and plan correctly this new year. So, I am a big advocate on using a planner and journaling. I love to journal, and I love to organize and use my planner. I personally like the Happy planners. I have a lot of them. But they do get kind of pricey. If you're buying all the stickers and accessories and things that go with them, they do get kind of pricey. So I'm gonna show you guys a couple of hacks to deck out your planners and your organizers and your journals on a budget using Dollar Tree items. Here we go. I'm gonna start off by just showing you guys a couple of my journals. I do have a couple layouts. This is the full layout from November. Don't look too closely, but and then this is my December layout. I like to color code my stuff, but always using the different stickers. For me, I found with calendars, stickers are your friends. And then here are a couple of my journal entries. I love Post-its. So let's get into these metallic gel pens. I'm not a big fan of gel pens, but these are fantastic. They write well, they're smooth, the colors are brilliant. I think the brand is Doodlers with a Z. They're in the school office supply section of the Dollar Tree. Here is an example of how I wrote with some of them, different writing, different styles. They're very bright. Like they come out very bright. Some gel pens don't come out as smooth or as bright, but these really great pens will definitely add life to your journal or your planner. Love them, must buy. Then let's move on to these micro tip brush pens. I only found them in these 3 colors, but they are amazing. I'm still working on my writing style and calligraphy and everything, but these really help with that. The tip is firm enough, but also fluid. So they're really great pens to write with. They also came in the metallic of the same brush tip pens. So they have the metallic. I only found them in purple and green, but still great pen to write with. Gives you that elongated cursive or calligraphy look in your journal or your planner. This was an interesting find. This was a dual effects 3D effect pen. Don't think I'll use it a lot, but it does make a really cool effect if you want a 3D double look. Very cool. It only comes in 2 colors. Now this is a basic black gel roll-on pen. Very professional. I take it to work meetings and writes really smooth. So just something to pick up in addition to what you already have. Then let's move into our colored pencil set. They are number 2 colored pencils, great for filling in stuff. They also have these mini colored pencils and the clear crayon box I used for the colored pencils. I love this because usually colored pencils are hard to store and tote around, but the mini ones are great, and I use them only for fill-ins and shadows and stuff. So I love having the mini ones. It still comes in a variety of colors, all at the Dollar Tree, and they're just easy to store and carry around. So love those. Then we have our pineapple pen. It was just really cute. Had to get it, guys. It's just a regular black pen. Writes smooth again with a dot journal. I love dot journals. It helps with practicing your handwriting. You can jot down, you can doodle, you can do so many things with dot journals. I just got into them, but I love them. So I mentioned how I love Post-its, and Dollar Tree has these Post-it, I don't know what you call them, Post-it packs. I think they're so cute and so useful. They have the tabs that are for bookmarking or reminders, and then they have these colorful, nice Post-its. Post-its you can use for everything, guys. Reminders, you could use them for journaling, and then they have them in this pack as well. These are a little smaller, and they have little decorative borders on them. So autumn, It looks like the other one was like some blue sky one. There was 3 different ones. Very cute. And then they had this pack that was just assorted marble, pink, and stripes. So cute. Again, can be used for all kinds of designs within your planner or journal. And then this purple, teal, and pink with gold stripes. Love it because they can be used as like layer pieces in your journal or reminder pieces in your planner. I love, love, love Post-its, guys. Best thing ever. And then they had these little booklets as well that had Post-it sections. So they had one big notebook section that you could use for like a to-do list or just jotting down things, and then an assortment of other size Post-its. I love when they're different sizes because you can cut them up and use them for different things. Longer notepad is really helpful for like to keep you on track with to-do lists. It really helps with organization. And then I love the accent on all of the pieces, like the border accents and stuff. It really helps with layering and color. It really makes the pages of your journal pop or certain appointments in your calendar pop out. I also had this cute little llama sticky note book. I don't love llamas, but it was so cute. If it wasn't llamas, I definitely would have gotten it, but so cute. Different sizes as well. Then they had an assortment of list pads, not really for journaling or calendars, but great for keeping organized. And then one of my favorite planning products from Dollar Tree are these organization planning stickers. They have all that you need. So I know you guys have seen the ones in Michael's and with Happy Planner, and they give you an assortment of stickers, but they're so expensive. These give you an assortment of stickers with the dates and appointments and all of the things you need for $1.25, guys. And they come in different palettes. You can get the different color palettes, which I love. Here's the front. They're each 300 stickers per pack, which is so many stickers, guys. So much planning. They're very cute. You can go based on color codes. You can go based on your mood. They have appointment stickers and nap time stickers and calendar day stickers and month stickers and just happy moment stickers. Amazing, amazing, amazing. And then they have a smaller pack that also are planning stickers with to-do list and stuff, but they're a smaller pack. I'm not exactly sure how many in the smaller pack, but they're also just like the planning pack. Then they have in Crafter's Square just an assortment of larger metallic stickers. I like them because they're like scrapbooking stickers. They can go in a journal. They can also be used for your calendars. They're really fun and make it really nice. And then lastly, they have these little gem sticker books. Now, I really think they're for children. However, you can use them as well in your planning, organization, and journaling. Because they have the little gems. They have random fun stickers that say like sassy and feel good, do good, be good. Random cat stickers. Just nice, fun, feel good stickers in each set. So I really liked these books, and they were not $1.25. They were a couple of cents, actually. The dollar store has many other great journaling, calendar products, and just office supply products that you can get. So definitely check them out and get started planning ASAP. See you next time. Bye, guys.